Welcome to DisplayBly.com.
Today we are going to introduce an assembly process of COB LCD module for Smart Terminal System. First, install the FPC connector into the PCB and solder it with tin. Second, turn on the LED backlight and check if there is any problem. Clean it if there is any dust. Third, put the 4 pins of LED backlights into the holes of the PCB and solder them with tin. Fourth, turn on the power and double confirm if the LED backlight is 100% clean. Carefully wipe out the dirt with industrial alcohol. Fifth, remove the protection film on the surface of the LED backlight and the protection film on the back of the LCD screen. Install the pins of the LCD into the holes of the PCB. Carefully check if it works properly. Sixth, solder the pins of the LCD onto the PCB with tin. Seventh, quality test. Check if there is any fault.
Thank you for watching, and contact us if you have any questions.